Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to use Grammarly AI for email writing. So let's get started. First, open Grammarly and log in to your account. Then, open your email platform. After that, start a new email. Over here, click on the Grammarly AI or Write with AI option. Then, enter a prompt describing the email you want to write. After that, click on Generate. Then, wait while Grammarly AI creates your email. Over here, review the generated email. After that, edit the prompt or regenerate the email if needed. Then, use Grammarly's suggestions to improve grammar, spelling, punctuation, and tone. Over here, make any final changes to the email. Then, copy the email into your email message if needed, or send it directly from your email platform. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.